the seal jumped on the boat and the whale watchers. Really? Yeah, and the engine was off, right? So the orcas kept circling the boat. Oh boy, circling the boat for 15 minutes. 15 whole minutes? Yes. And they didn't see the seal, so they went away. Oh, well, what happened to the seal? Well, they started the engine, okay, and they took the boat back to shore, and when the seal thought it was safe, it jumped off the boat and said thank you. Wait, the seal said thank you? Actually, it did not. Shame on you, seal. Okay, but the seal was safe for today. For always. I'm going to think that way. Or do you have a second story? Yeah.